Hello, in this video I will show you how to wrap text around a picture in Word. First you need to select the paragraph where you want to put the picture and then enter it, and then go to the insert, and here you need to click on picture and select from this device and go to the desktop and select the picture. So here you can see that the picture is inserted. Make it small or a bigger to drag it from the this point. Now you can see that I'm trying to drag it. This picture is not moving on the page. Here you need to select the picture and you can see a top right side a layout option. Click on that, and here you can see the multiple options, and just you need to click square here, and now you can move picture anywhere on the Word document. Make it bigger, make it small, where you want to. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and now you have learned that how to wrap text around a picture in MS Word. Please comment, share and subscribe, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.